The development of ChatGPT represents a remarkable journey in the evolution of large language models, marked by a substantial increase in scale, performance, and applicability. Let's explore how we got here. The first GPT model, GPT-1, emerged in 2018 as a product of OpenAI's efforts to build a general-purpose text generation model. GPT-1 was trained on a modest dataset of 40 gigabytes of text from the internet, comprising of a wide variety of sources. It had 117 million parameters, making it one of the largest language models at the time. GPT-1 demonstrated its capabilities in text completion and generation tasks, but had limitations in understanding context and producing coherent long-form text. GPT-2 was released in 2019, and it was a watershed moment. It featured a significant increase in scale with a staggering 1.5 billion parameters. GPT-2, trained on more extensive and diverse data, demonstrated remarkable advancements in generating coherent and contextually relevant text. In 2020, we got to GPT-3. This had 175 billion parameters and was trained over a vast data set encompassing a significant proportion of the internet. Few-shot learning capabilities were also developed with this model. By 2022, we were at GPT 3.5, and now in 2023, we have GPT-4. GPT-4 is absolutely massive in scale at 1 trillion parameters and represents the pinnacle of OpenAI's research in large language models, at least at the time of creating this course. ChatGPT is a version of a GPT model specifically fine-tuned for conversational interactions. It's optimized to provide more natural and engaging responses in a chat or dialogue format. It's undergone additional fine-tuning to make it more suitable for chatbot and virtual assistant applications. Getting started with GPT models is pretty simple. OpenAI developed an API to allow you to easily interact with their models and start creating your own custom solutions.